Alright, we're gonna have to do this fast because the car wash is fucking mobbed today because it's 50 degrees in New York in January. So I'm gonna take some of this citrus cleaner and spray it all over everything. And in a minute I'm going to put some money in the thing, and then we are going to spray the shit out of this bike. And hopefully the guy over there who's vacuuming in his car, who is next in line for this bay, won't come in and shoot me, because he looks kind of pissed off. Alright. I guess that's about as good as we're gonna get it. So now let's get out some of these Sacagawea dollars that they give us here and put it in the thing. That's one. That's two. I don't think we need soap, we just need to rinse. So let's take out our wand and I think half of it is the pressure of the water and a part of it is the citrus cleaner. Got a little less than 3 minutes left. Get in there. Get in there, Bo. I guess the freewheel's still viable. Oops. Okay. I don't know how the audio is going to come out on this. Might need a new inner tube. Let me rotate this wheel a little bit. I guess I should have used a tripod on this. Why do people always come out and clean their car on a nice day? I usually just come here when it's raining or something. Take photos. Hey, check it out. Alright, my battery's dying now. Flip the bike around. More pressure into that hub. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can hear anything that I'm saying right now. The camera's gonna die, and when it does, that's the end of the video. And we'll throw that thing away later anyway. Still got a minute left. Oh. Get that bottom bracket. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's the American way. Power. This bike ain't looking half bad. Alright, what's going to run out first? The hose or the battery? Maybe I'll have a battery of hose one of these days. Forgot to take a picture of that. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.